There's a concept that many of you may know. It's called the blue ocean strategy. If you move your boat to somewhere else where there's less competition, the fish may have migrated, or there's a new pocket of fish and you have no competition. And it's a very valid strategy. In his book, The Innovator's Dilemma, the late Dr. Clayton Christensen talks about this. Honda motorcycles wanting to compete in America. America's a big market for Honda, but the problem with their motorcycles is at that time, Harley Davidsons are the dominant vehicle. They're loud, they're powerful, and they're heavy and expensive. And Honda has, by all measures, a underpowered, smaller, lighter motorcycle that is not designed to ride on the freeways. Because in Japan, they're limited access to fast-moving roads, so they don't need that power, nor do they need the speed, because you just can't drive that fast. So these two people who are spearheading the launch of Honda motorcycles in America are just showing up every single day, and they're not really selling any of these motorcycles. And they feel the stress and the weight of doing this, thinking it's a total failure. And by their sales, it is a total failure. So one thing they do on the weekends is to blow off some steam. So they take these motorcycles off-roading. They go onto paths and trails in the hills, and they're riding around and they're having a good time. This is an ideally suited situation or environment for smaller, more agile motorcycles. And some people notice, they're like, hey, what are those? And soon a new industry was created called dirt bikes or off-roading with motorcycles. And thus, Honda is able to have a footprint in America. They created a new lane, a new use case, and almost by accident, they found a new use for the motorcycle that no one else had paid attention to. They moved into a lane that had no competition. Blue ocean strategy.